Hello students, my name is Bhushan Deshmukh. Today we are going to learn about natural resources. Okay, today we are going to learn about natural resources, right? Both words are commonly used in our day-to-day life, right? Now before going to learn about natural resources, we must first understand what is meant by resources, right? Now, who can tell me what is meant by resources? Roll number 23. What are resources? What is meant by resources? Right. The sources that are available, for our use, are called resources. Right. Now, for example, consider, right, as you are a school student, right? Now, what are resources available to you? For study, you have available pen, pencil, right? Books, school bags, right? Bicycle, school bus, right? All these are the resources that are available for school student, right? Drinking water, playground, right? All these are the resources. Resources means the sources that are available for our use, right? To fulfill our basic need, are called resources, right? Now, what are natural resources? What are natural resources? As its name suggests, natural, right? Natural means the resources that are derived from nature. The natural words comes from nature, right? And the natural resources means the resources that are derived from nature, right? The resources that we get from nature are called is called natural resources, right? Now, what resources we get from nature? Give some example. Rule number 50, please tell what are the natural resources? Examples, right? Sunlight, air, right? River, sea, right? Trees, moon, right? That are the natural resources that we get from nature, right? Therefore, they are called natural resources. Now, let's start the unit in detail. Lesson number 16, natural resources. Lesson number 16, natural resources. Now, what is meant by natural resources? As we have discussed it now, natural resources means the resources that are available in nature, right? The resources that are derived from nature are called natural resources, right? Now, give some example of natural resources. Examples are sun, air, right? Tree, moon, river, sea, right? Lake. That are the examples of natural resources, right? We get many substances from nature, right? They satisfy a variety of our daily needs, right? To fulfill our needs. Soil, stones, minerals, air, water, plants, and animals on the earth. All are various kinds of natural resources. These are the examples of natural resources, right? Now, let's recall what is meant by lithosphere. Natural resources in the earth crust. The earth's lithosphere is made up of land and the hard crust beneath it, right? The lithosphere is not homogeneous, but it is made up of different types of rocks. Resources in the earth crust include minerals, right? Minerals, ores, mineral oil, and other fuels, rocks, water, and elements, etc. Metals are obtained from their own ore by extraction and purification. Impurities of sand and soil in the ore are called gangue, right? The impurities of sand and soil in the ore are called gangue, and metals are obtained by extraction by obtained from extraction and purification, right? This is important point. Minerals and ores, right? Now what is meant by minerals? Minerals wealth has an important place among natural resources. Minerals are formed by various processes taking place in the environment. The rocks on the earth are mainly made up of minerals. These minerals can be obtained by mining, right? This is the process of mining, right? Here the mining is done with the help of heavy machineries. Only few metals like, for example, gold, silver, copper, platinum, and bismuth occur in the free state in nature, right? A majority of the metals occur in the form of compounds. Minerals that contain a high proportion of metals are called ores. Now, what is meant by ore? Minerals that contain high proportion of metal. It is economical to obtain metals from ore. The properties of mineral becomes clear from their characteristic: color, luster, hardness, shape, cleavage, fracture, and streak. What are minerals? Why all minerals are not ores? Because as we know that ores means the minerals having high proportion of metal and minerals are some metals and some non-metals, right? What is meant by metal mineral and non-metal mineral? The mineral that are having metallic characteristics are called metal minerals, and the minerals that are having non-metallic characteristics are called non-metal mineral. Now, how minerals are formed? Minerals are formed from the magma in the earth crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes, right? When they cool and get transferred into crystals. This is magnetite and this is mica. Minerals are formed when solid crystal remain behind after the process of evaporation. This is halite and gypsum. Minerals get transferred from one form into another due to large changes in temperature and pressure. Diamond, graphite, right? Some living organism produce inorganic minerals. Example, conches, shells, etc. form for the protection of the body, right? Now, classification of minerals according to their properties: non-metal minerals, metal minerals, and energy minerals. Mica, sulfur, gypsum, potash, graphite, diamond, feldspar, iron, gold, silver, tin, bauxite, manganese, platinum, tungsten, coal, mineral oil, natural gas. Gems and gem-like minerals. Some important minerals like diamond, ruby, sapphire, emerald, jade, zircon are used as gems. Gems are in grade diamond, right? Now I will give you 5 minutes to revise this. Okay, I will ask you then some question, that is what is meant by natural resources, what is meant by resources, what are meant by natural resources, example of natural resources, what is meant by metal, non-metal, right, minerals, ores. Okay, revise this up till now, and I will ask you questions. Okay. Okay, students, have you revised this? Now I will ask you questions. Okay. Now first tell me what is meant by resources. Roll number 21, tell what are meant by resources. Right, resources means the sources that are available for our use. Right. Now tell me what are meant by natural resources. The resources that are obtained from nature are called natural resources. Right. Third, what are the examples of natural resources? Example of natural resources. Example, right. Water, air, light, sunlight, right? Land, animal, plants, soil, rock are the examples of natural resources. Now tell me what is meant by minerals. Minerals are the cluster-like substance that are available in the earth crust, right? Now tell me what are metals and non-metals. What are metals and non-metals? Metals are the substance that are the good conductor of electricity, right? The substance that have luster, right? Shining. These are called the metals. And non-metals. Non-metals are the substance that does not conduct electricity, right? Now tell me what is meant by ore. The minerals that have high proportion of metal are called ore, right? Now tell me example of metal and non-metal. Example of metals and non-metals. The example of metals are gold, silver, copper, iron, right? And what are the example of non-metals? Wood, plastic, rubber, right? Now, why all minerals are not ore? Why all minerals are not ores? Why? Because minerals are made up of two categories, metals and non-metals, right? And non-metals, therefore, the minerals are not ore. Non-metals have zero amount of metals, right? Therefore, all minerals are not ores. Okay. Now write down the answer of this question in your notebook. I will check it one by one. Okay. What is meant by lithosphere? Lithosphere is a outer shell of the earth. Okay, lithosphere means outer shell of the earth. Okay, students, have you written all these questions and answer of them? Okay, right. Now read chapter. Okay, roll number 13. Read this lesson, natural resources. Okay, students. In today's class, we have learned about natural resources definition, right? Examples, then natural resources in earth crust, right? Resources in earth crust include minerals, ore, mineral oil, other fuels, rocks, water elements, etc. Minerals and ores, right? How minerals are formed, classification of minerals, non-metal minerals, metal minerals, right? Energy minerals. Okay, student. Remaining part we will cover in next lecture. Okay. Thank you. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, no difficulty. Okay. Thank you, students.